Mabuhay. Good morning also to our principal, Ma'am Pakanya, to the teachers and the parents. So this morning, our core values is righteousness. So again, what is our core values today? Okay, so this time, the grade 3 is assigned sa core values na righteousness. So we will have a role playing. So okay, ready na mo? Okay, children! Lights, camera, action!
Oh no! Nabili na kong baon sa balay! Don't worry, Althea. Pwede na ta mag-share sa akong baon daghan. Really? Thank you, Thea! Okay, mag-share ta aming baon.
Uy, they're friends man. Barkada na sila sa grade 3. Okay, thank you. So that's it. Our short skit. Okay. So righteousness is about treating others with kindness and fairness. So bisan pa man na si Althea, ginaaway niya sa una si Theo, but then ang gipili gihapon ni Theo natagaan, sharean og pagkaon si Althea because mauna ang tama. Theo shows righteousness by offering his lunch with Althea. So he puts Althea's needs before his own. So that's demonstrating empathy and generosity. Ang pagiging manggihatagon di ay kay that's part of righteousness. Everybody say spell righteousness. Go. Okay, thank you. So also may bisayaan ng righteousness. Mga kaigsuunan ko diha ni Kristo. So, ang binisayaan na kay pagka matulidon, no? Nasa tamang landas or nasa tuwid na landas. So, righteousness comes with kindness and generosity. So, I will leave you this Bible verse coming from the book of Psalm, chapter 92, verse 12. For the Lord takes delight in his people. He crowns the humble with salvation and saves those who have a righteous heart. So that's it. Thank you very much. Mabuhay!